Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to fix search bar icon missing in Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC. So with that being said, let's get started. Just like what you see on my screen right here, my search bar right here in the taskbar menu is not being found. So how do we find it and how we can restore it back into our taskbar menu in Windows PC? So first thing first, what you need to do is to simply come to your taskbar menu right here. Right click on your taskbar menu and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to search. Then from search, make sure you click on show search icon. So click on that and you have the search icon right here. So in another way around, if you want your search icon to be in a full length, what you need to do is to come back to the taskbar menu, right click on it, and then make sure you go back to search, then click on show search box, and you have it in full, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.